ka.
Ang ganda.
Lagi ko na guys, yung naman ito sir ha? Mystery box. Joke lang ma'am. Ma'am, may ara siya, message para sa imo. Mahal, happy 50th monthsary to us. Although I gave you many heartaches in the past, sorry for all my mistakes, for all my lapses, for being pasaway. This is all the reasons why you are so sick. You become stressed and worried. I made you cry. You sacrificed a lot for our relationship. I know you are depressed and silent. At the end, I realized you suffered a lot of sadness with me. I'm so sorry, mahal ko. I love you. I am not a perfect boyfriend. That's why I made many mistakes, especially in terms of decision making. I accepted it with all my heart. All the judgment on me because it's true that I made wrong. I learned a lot from all my mistakes, and this situation gave me lessons so that in the future it will not happen again. I apologize sincerely, mahal. Again, happy 50th monthsary, mahal ko. Love, Nunoy.
Hello, wait. Sino ko yung atang?
Yes, kay sir. Hindi na siya nakauli, ma'am. Ikaw na lang mag-blow sa inyong candle, ma'am, kaya wala man siya. Wish mo, ma'am, sa inyong relationship, tapos, i-blow ang candle. Yay! Happy monthsary!
Hello,
Mami, narin ko sa may message siya ng support. Ay, birahan ni Mami.
I just record daw.
Ang importante na kayo importante tira ang iyang message sa punta. Alam ba niya?
Mahal, sorry, I love you. Wala! Dati nagatanaw lang pati dito mo sa kulang surprise.
Mga ayo kami sang imong message sa iya, ma'am.
Ang kay mahal, Noy, mahal, wagi ko nag-expect nga i-surprise mo ko kay kabalo ko nga hipuson nakatama din kabalo ko damo ta trials lagyan karon kani maging positive ka lang, mahal, like you are my strength. Thank you so much. Walang sorry.
Yay! Happy monthsary! Nalipay ka man, ma'am?
Oh, wala ko nag-expect.
Happy!
Thank you.
Happy?
Oo, wala ko nag-expect nga si Nonoy mag-apos din niya.
Actually, ma'am, gahapon lang yun. Biglaan.
siya.
Okay. Hatag si mamang balo.
Bakit ba pag ika'y nakikita, puso ko ay kumakaba? Pag nasilayan ko ang iyong ganda, puso ko ay nagbabalisa. Pag ika'y katabi, napagaling, walang